to yet another episode of Project Talk, PropTiger's initiative to connect home buyers to the experts in the industry from the comfort of your homes. I'm Sneha Sharan, and today we're going to talk about Shilp Shaligram. I'm joined by Mr. Yash Brahmavat, founder and CEO Shilp Group. Welcome. Mr. Rikin Baroth, channel sales head at Shilp Shaligram. Welcome. Mr. Somil Patel, sales head at Shilp Group, and PropTiger City Head for Ahmedabad, Mr. Kamal Chandani. Warm welcome to all my panelists. Now, Shilp Group has made sure that it will let quality and not quantity do the talking. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their home buying journey at zero brokerage for customers. But before we begin, I'd request Mr. Brahmavat to give us a brief introduction about Shilp Group, and followed by Mr. Chandani, who will introduce PropTiger. Mr. Brahmavat, over to you.
Hi, good afternoon all. I am Yash Brahmavat, founder and the CEO of Shilp Group. As many of you know me personally, thanks for being here in the webinar. The journey of Shilp Group has started in the year 2004. We have developed properties mainly in the western zone of the Ahmedabad city, near SG Highway, like Vastrapur, Bodakdev, Ambli, Thalte, Science City Road. We have total 39 projects, including both ongoing and completed. All of our projects are located on prime location of the city. We have total 39 projects. We have constructed 61 lakh square feet and 20 lakh square feet is under construction. We believe in customer satisfaction, fulfilling commitments, and building trustworthy relations with our clients are our core values. Thank you.
Mr. Chandani.
So I come from PropTiger. PropTiger is a company of Elara Group. Elara Group owns Housing.com, PropTiger.com, and Makaan. We are into end-to-end real estate solutions for our customers. We help our customers identify their property, help them negotiate with the developer and finalizing the unit, and help them in the ultimate closure of the transaction. We are in the market since 2011, and since then we have sold around 25,000 units to around 15,000 happy families.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. So the project in focus today is Shilp Shaligram in Vastrapur. We'll watch a small video that talks about the project and the locality. Here's the video for the benefit of our home buyers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be among the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the riverbanks of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-specialty hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both the railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, this city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination. Vastrapur, an area in Ahmedabad, houses the prestigious Indian Institute of Management and is the posh area of the Ahmedabad city with shopping malls, lakes, gardens, hospitals, and many other landmarks. The area is cosmopolitan and attracts the upper class and high net worth individuals as a preferred residential destination. Categorized as one of the fastest growing areas in the city of Ahmedabad and is located beside the Sarkhej Gandhinagar highway, an area famous for its line of restaurants and shopping malls. With such an impeccable array of offerings, many top developers have launched their landmark projects in Vastrapur. One such prestigious developer is Shilp Group. The journey of Shilp Group began in the year 2004, and within a short span of a decade, it has carved a niche for itself in the property development business. Standing tall as an embodiment of excellence and integrity is the result of passion, determination, and hard work of the skilled team at Shilp Group. Shilp Group, in a collaboration with Shaligram Group, are proud to present Ahmedabad's finest residential destination, Shilp Shaligram at Vastrapur. Space where you are in the center of joy, love, and gratitude. Welcome to Shilp Shaligram, a home that encompasses a lifestyle surrounding serenity, recreation, and indulgence.
Thank you for that. We'll now pick up a few questions. I request our viewers also to drop in their queries as well, and we'll accommodate as many as possible. Mr. Yash, my first question is for you. Amidst COVID-19, what is the way ahead for real estate developers? What are some of the challenges that you foresee that need to be addressed?
Like other sectors, India's real estate sector business also impacted due to COVID-19, but is impacted less than other industries. दो से तीन challenges है जिसके बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा, जो आने वाले टाइम में रियल एस्टेट को सेक्टर को फेस करनी पड़ेगी. सबसे पहला लेबर इश्यूज, जो लेबर्स अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट से मूव होके उनके विलेजेस जा चुके हैं, वो वापस आफ्टर 1-2 महीने बाद वापस आएंगे. तो ये पीरियड का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी है वो स्लो हो गया है, तो उसका इफेक्ट कंप्लीशन टाइम पे आ सकता है. लेकिन हम हमारी बात करें तो शिल्प शालिग्राम में ऑलरेडी हम अब जो स्टेज पे अभी है, वो हमारा जो टारगेट था उससे हम अर्ली 4-5 महीने अर्ली है. तो हमारे ये प्रोजेक्ट में आई थिंक हमको कोई इश्यू आने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में या दूसरे डेवलपर्स को ये चीज़ फेस करनी शायद. सेकंड, आफ्टर लॉकडाउन लोग अभी भी, मैं मानता हूँ कि आफ्टर लॉकडाउन लोग बाहर कम निकलेंगे और फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में आना कम पसंद करेंगे. तो इन दैट सिनेरियो हम डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का यूज़ करके बिजनेस कर सकते हैं. हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट का मार्केटिंग डिजिटल कर सकते हैं. बायर्स भी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करके बुकिंग करवा सकते हैं. देन थर्ड थिंग, कोरोना के बाद जो बायर्स है उनका ट्रस्ट, अच्छी गुडविल और ब्रांड डेवलपर के प्रति उनका झुकाव बढ़ेगा. और बायर्स यही चाहेंगे कि जो जिसका गुडविल अच्छा है, जिसका ब्रांड नेम अच्छा है, वो डेवलपर के यहाँ बुकिंग करवाना प्रीफर ज़्यादा करेंगे. तो जो छोटे डेवलपर्स है और ऑर्गेनाइज डेवलपर है, उनको ज़्यादा मुश्किलें फेस करनी पड़ सकती. ये 3 चैलेंजेस मेरे ख्याल से बड़ी है.
Thank you for that, Mr. Yash. Mr. Chandani, on the home buyers front, what are the changes that we can expect?
So, like 2 of the points have been already covered by Mr. Yash. There is a time to, this is the time to shift digital. Customers would be more inclined towards, digital ways of buying. So now, especially for under construction projects, it is more easy for the customer to sit at home and have a virtual experience of the property which he is going to buy. So अगर आप कोई साइट पे नहीं जाना चाहता है और घर पे बैठ के अपना होने वाला अपार्टमेंट देखना चाहता है, तो उसकी भी फैसिलिटीज हैं अपने पास. सेकंड, प्राइस ट्रांसपेरेंसी आज की तारीख में इतना है कि ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप डेवलपर के ऑफिस पे जाके डील करो या फोन पे डील करो, प्राइजेस ऑलमोस्ट स्टैंडर्ड ही रहती हैं अच्छे डेवलपर्स के साथ. तो वो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स की तरफ थोड़ा स्विच करेगा. टेक्निकली डील्स ओवर द कॉल हो सकती है. प्रॉपर्टी पसंद आने के बाद हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि ऑनलाइन बुकिंग्स हो. और in future का भी कुछ issues रहते हैं, तो branded developers like Shilp are always there to support their customers in case of contingencies. So these two are the major things which I am foreseeing कि customer का buying process में changes आएगा.
Mr. Parot, my next question is for you. What are the USPs of Shilp Shaligram? Can you please detail that out for us?
Okay. Shilp Shaligram offers you the luxurious living within the city, or like in the center of the city, like having the all the amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, cricket pitch, mini theater, banquet hall. We have covered the all the amenities. Shilp Shaligram offers you a 3 and 4 BHK luxurious apartment that is two even three-sided open, because we are having all the standalone towers and a huge garden space of 36,000 square feet, which is biggest in the city as well.
Mr. Chandani, coming back to you again, tell us something about Vastrapur and the scope of development in this location.
So Vastrapur, if you are in Ahmedabad, Vastrapur is the first locality that comes to your mind. It is known as heart of Ahmedabad. So it is centrally located, not even in Ahmedabad, but then too in this western part of Ahmedabad. So if you come out of this project, there is a biggest mall of Ahmedabad, biggest mall of Gujarat, which is just nearby, known by Ahmedabad One Mall. You walk down 200 meters out the road, there is a metro station which is coming up maybe in a 2 years span of time. You have all the multi-speciality hospitals nearby, multiplexes. So Vastrapur is the ideal destination for all the salaried segment, for all the working class segment who want to stay connected to the city but not yet very far from the city. So Vastrapur, yes, I would say is the most sought after locality in Ahmedabad.
All right, thank you. Mr. Patel, coming to you, tell us what are home buyers demanding now and what kinds of projects are popular in terms of amenities, etc.
From the point of view of home buyers, I would say that home buyers are looking for the more bigger spaces of amenities, good specifications, and good connectivity of the project, from where they can go to their offices very easily, and there should be a shopping malls nearby. So it makes them easy to connect all the daily needs things and all these things. So I think that good connectivity, good specifications, good amenities, open space, and I think good quality constructions, which buyers are looking for the project.
Correct. Thank you. Thank you. So let me remind our viewers once again that you can keep sending your queries right away and we'll pick up as many as possible as and when time allows. May I now request Team Shilp to walk us through the project presentation.
So we have launched this project last year, named as Shilp Shaligram, which is in the center of the everything, like heart of the Ahmedabad. It's Vastrapur, as the Kamal said. The view of the project when it is completed, how it is going to be a look like. It is designed by very well-known architect Apurva Amin. We are making Shilp Shaligram in the plot of 28,000 square yard with 10 standalone towers. We have given space of 25 to 30 feet distance between the towers. That makes every apartment three-side open. A very good point of the project is every apartment has some view, like some has a road view, some has a garden, and some has an open area. The project is strategically located in the center of the city, like you are just 5 minutes away from schools, colleges, shopping malls, hospital, BRTS, and highway. Shilp Shaligram offering you all the amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, indoor games, mini theater, banquet hall, cricket pitch, multipurpose court, senior citizen sit-out, gazebo, separate visitor car parking area, children play area, a huge 36,000 square feet of garden area, centrally air-conditioned lobby, and waiting lounge in each block. Next slide, please. We are having 4 BHK of 3,230 square feet. Each floor is having 4 units and 2 lifts. From privacy point of view, we have designed the unit like one cannot look into your apartment standing at your door. Guest bedroom has been separated from the other bedrooms. Spacious drawing room having the huge balcony with size of 12/8. A spacious dining space. We are giving 2 master bedrooms over here with the size of 11/16. Third bedroom having the size of 11/14. We are offering the separate puja room and storeroom adjoining to the kitchen. Next. Talking about the 3 BHK, it's a size of 2,230 square feet. Having 4 units on each floor and 2 lifts we are providing. We have designed the unit like as in 4 BHK. One cannot look into the apartment from privacy point of view. Spacious drawing room having the balcony of 11 by 5. A spacious dining area, master bedroom of size of 11 by 16, children bedroom size of 11 by 13, and guest bedroom with size of 11 by 11 by 11. We also have been given the separate puja space and storeroom with the kitchen. Like as I said the earlier, every apartment has a view from view of road, garden, or the open area. Now talking about the prices, our 3 BHK basic price starting from the 1.20 CR and 4 BHK basic price starting from the 1.70 CR. We do have multiple payment plan options available, like down payment plan, construction link plan, and subvention plan as well. So you can choose any of among them. This is the best which we have done for the buyers, those who are looking to buy the property in the current scenario. We are giving them the price protection plan. So if someone is booking their apartment as of now, at that time we are giving them the price protection plan. If they are booking the apartment at X price, and if we are lowering the price, they will having the same the benefit. Although we are not going to lower the price, still they are having the benefit of that price. We do have different commercial projects in the different localities, which is in the prime location of the city, like Shilp Epitome located behind the Rajpath Club, Shilp Satpet located on the main Sindhu Bhavan Road, Shilp Theatres located on the Sheelat Circle, Shilp Zaveri located on the Shamal Cross Road. Shivalik Shilp 1 and 2, Shilp City Center 2 at Science City, and Shilp Corporate Park, which is an undergoing at Bodakdev. Thank you.
Thank you for that. It's time to pick up a few audience questions. Mr. Patel, the first question comes in from Payal Jain. She's asking, can the ongoing lockdown have an impact on the project delivery time, which is June 2022?
जैसे यश भाई ने पहले बात किया था कि टॉकिंग अबाउट द शिल्प शालिग्राम प्रोजेक्ट, हम लोग ऑलरेडी जो हमारा टारगेट था काम का, जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क का, वो हम ऑलरेडी आगे चल रहे हैं 3 से 4 महीना। तो जो लॉकडाउन पीरियड 2 या 3 महीने का, या जो 4 महीने का टाइम पीरियड जो भी कुछ अभी वेस्ट हुआ है, वो हमने ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है। और उसके बाद शायद अभी लग रहा है कि 1-2 महीने, जैसे यश भाई ने बताया कि शायद मजदूर लोग अपने गांव से वापस आने में 1-2 महीना और लगेगा। तो वी विल कवर इट अप लेटर ऑन, जब कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू हो जाएगा उसके बाद हम वो कवर कर सकते हैं। और लेट्स होप फॉर द दैट प्रोजेक्ट कोई डिले नहीं होगा, वो हमारी तरफ से हम पूरा कोशिश करेंगे।
That's good news then. The next question comes in from Rohan Dave. How is this project different from any other housing project in this locality? Question for Mr. Barod.
Okay. Unlike the other project, Shilp Shaligram having the open space, as I said previously, it's having the 36,000 square feet of garden area, bigger size apartment. Like other housing projects having the small apartments or having 1700-1800 of square feet of 3 BHK and 2500 to 2700 square feet of 4 BHK. While what we are providing is a 2230 square feet of 3 BHK and 3230 square feet of 4 BHK.
Question for you again, Mr. Barod. This is Harshal Mehta asking, what are the banks which are offering home loan for buying a house in this project?
Okay, so I guess all the major banks are providing the home loan on our project, like HDFC, ICICI, SBI, PNB, all I guess nationalized, and the private banks providing the home loan on our project.
Mr. Patel, Kumar Akash is asking, what is the down payment I have to pay for a house in this project?
For the payment plans, I can say that we have a different kinds of payment plan. Regular down payment, construction link plan. So the person who is interested in the project to buy the property, we can share the project payment plans different. in which you have to pay 30% or 40% or 20%. There are different kinds of plans. So we will share those plans after this webinar to those clients.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Chandani, Anuj Patel asks us, what are the options available to commute using public transport in this area?
So we have all the mode of public transport available. Like I earlier said, if you walk down 200 meters from the project, there is a metro station coming up. BRT is nearby. It is again 200 meters from the project. You have all the Ola and Ubers of this world which are standing over there, and it is just adjacent to the biggest mall of Gujarat. So you will find all the rickshaws, cabs, and all the possible transport facilities just nearby the project. So it is not necessary that you have a car and if you want to commute using a public transport or maybe some other shared transport, there are n number of options available.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. We have another question coming in from Vipul Shah. What has been the price growth in this location in the past few years, Mr. Chandani?
I beg your pardon, please come again. So I was not able to hear you.
The question is, what has been the price growth in this location in the past few years?
So if I talk about this project only, it got launched at around 4,800 kind of price. Now, if we talk about the current price, it is on the 10% upper side as it was launched. So this is a sheer 10% of appreciation in last 1.5 years. And moreover, this locality is more of saturated in nature. There is no other land parcel available in the locality. So for all the aspirants who want to live in Vastrapur or the nearby vicinity, this is probably the last resort, available for them to procure, because we would not see any new developments coming in this periphery. Having said that, there are no new land parcels available. So appreciation has been on a spike in past 4 or 5 years, and since Vastrapur started developing, and it is going to get even more higher, considering the fact that the choice of inventory and the availability of the inventory in this particular micro market is low as compared to any other micro market in Ahmedabad.
All right, thank you. Mr. Patel, here's a question for you from Monit Rena. He's asking, what kind of monthly maintenance charges do I have to pay in a luxury project such as yours?
Maintenance for the project is very most important thing, and we are taking 2 years of running maintenance in advance, and then after, I think around 2 or 2.5 rupees per square feet per monthly basis will be the maintenance charges for that.
Mr. Chandani, here's somebody else asking us, it's Khair Rizvi asking us, what is the average monthly rent in this unit, in this housing project, and how much can it fetch me?
So if I talk about rent for this particular project, I would say that this is more towards a premium housing project. So there would be very few inventory available for renting out. People will use it for their own consumption. Now, having said that, there would be very few inventory left out. The prices are going to be on a higher side. So if I talk about other 3 BHK in the given periphery, the existing rent is 55 to 60,000. So I'm very hopeful that this is the bare minimum which we should be getting from this project. And for a 4 BHK, it should vary around 70 to 75,000 and nothing, even up to 80,000, depending upon the furnishings which the landlord is providing to the customer.
That's handsome returns. Mr. Barot, my next question is for you. It's coming from Komal Parekh. She's asking, is there a specific section of buyers that you are targeting?
Okay, I can say that not a specific section, but the ones who wants the luxury in the middle of the city, where they can commute easily in the city. Major of our clients are professionals like doctors, professors, CAs, lawyers. Also, we are also having a group of businessmen in our project.
So I would like to add on that. So since it is in the center of city, it is viable for all the job aspirants or maybe the businessmen who want to reduce the commute time to their workplaces. So there is a mix of crowd. There are businessmen also who have their setup of business in the east part of Ahmedabad. There are working professionals also who are at a higher level in some good companies. Maybe we can rename them as a mass affluent category. So it's a 1.3, 1.5 crore kind of product. So we are not looking for masses, but yes, people, specifically the people who have some taste and who want to live in this locality are the target audience for us.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kundali. There's a high intent buyer, it seems. Jyoti Balasaria is asking us, if I book a flat now, will I be able to get any discounts? Mr. Baro.
Rather, I would to say we do have, as I said earlier, we do have different payment plan options available. Once you finalize the plan, or in which plan you want to go for, we can discuss over the same after this webinar personally.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Baro. The next question comes from Lalit Sisodia. How would you rate the project on a scale of 1 to 5 about following the best environmental practices? Mr. Patel.
I think I would scale 5 because जैसे कि environment friendly project बनाने के लिए हमने जैसे open garden space with good amenities, with more plants, garbage collection का हम ध्यान रख रहे हैं. Even अभी हमारे जो ongoing projects है, even commercial or residential, we are taking care of the environment very well. So और जो भी हमारे customers हैं और जो भी buyers हैं, उनको भी हम aware करते हैं कि जो गार्बेज कलेक्शन के बारे में है या फिर एनवायरनमेंट को ध्यान में रखने के बारे में है, तो वो सब चीज वी आर टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ दैट.
Khalid Ansari asks us, from a safety point of view, how is this locality? Mr. Patel.
From safety point of view, I can say that Vastrapur area is very well-known area in Ahmedabad, and I think that the locality you see that there is nearby locations. If I say that there is Judges Bungalow, where Chief Justice Bungalows is there, and the nearby location I can say Gujarat University is there. Very big brand schools and very big brand malls are there. So if you see the localities, I can say that doctors, engineers, and good industrialists have their bungalows and their apartments there in that Vastrapur location. So it's good locality to live.
Mr. Patel, Yash Mehta asks us, what is the stamp duty if I buy and the registration charges? Also tell me about the GST.
Okay. Stamp duty is 4.9% of the total agreement amount, and registration is 1%. But if the ladies is owner, only lady, not co-applicant gents or anybody, just a lady. So there is no registration charges for that. And if we talk about GST, it's a 5% GST on that.
Okay. Thank you for that. This is Rachit Desai asking us, I am an NRI and will not be able to visit India in the foreseeable future. If I were to buy a house in your project, how would we conduct the transaction right now? Mr. Baro, can you help us?
Okay, a good question. Recently, we have done an NRI transaction that is done by our preferred channel partner, PrepTiger only. So it's a way easy. We can connect through the video conference, like as we are connecting. You can choose the unit and you can make the online payment through RTGS or NEFT directly to the Shilp Shaligram account.
Mr. Chandani, would you also like to add to it? How do we facilitate?
So there are 3 aspects to make a transaction. First is you need to shortlist the property, which can be done using online tools. We have all the images, views of the sample apartment. Locality is not to be introduced to any client. It is a very well-known locality. So we can make the customer visit the apartment virtually. After that, we will help in shortlisting of the unit basis the location and the locality map on the project. And after that, there are multiple options available for remittance of payment. So it depends on the person, whatsoever option he wants to choose, we are there to assist them. And just by making a margin amount of, a marginal token amount, he can block the amount. He can block the property, and as and when the things go normal, he can make the rest of the payment for continuing with this transaction.
What is the interest rate banks will currently charge from a female borrower on home loan for buying a property in your project? Mr. Yash, would you like to answer that? This is a question received from Ratan Modi.
I think
सर आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Yash, you're on mute.
Unmute.
Sorry. Karan, पिछले 10-15 सालों में आई थिंक 7.25 के अराउंड कभी भी होम लोन का रेट नहीं आया है, तो इट इज अ वेरी बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय द होम. और फीमेल बायर को कोई कुछ बैंक 0.05% का बेनिफिट देती है. और जैसा कि सोमिल ने कहा कि फीमेल बायर को स्टैम्प ड्यूटी रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस वेव ऑफ करते हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, तो वो एक बेनिफिट है.
Thank you. We have received plenty of questions now. So I'll club 2 or 3 questions. Vatsal Dikshit is asking us, will there be any price drop due to COVID-19? Have developers reduced prices already? Mr. Chandani, I would like to hear your view, as well as Mr. Yash, I would like to know about it from the developer's perspective as well. Mr.
So
Chandani.
if we are giving an option of price protection to the customers or to the potential buyers, there is no point that the prices are going to come down. Having said that, if there would be any chance, even a 1% chance of pricing coming down, this option would not have been given to the new prospects, prospective buyers. There is a huge cost of land, labor, materials involved, and the project planning is done in the inception phase. And basis that only the pricing are taken care of. There gone are the days wherein the margin were huge for the developers. Now they operate at a very narrow margin. So I do not find any reason for real estate prices going down. The real estate name itself speaks about its virtue, that it is real in nature. And after COVID coming into picture, although the transactions have come down, but people have developed a very strong sentiments of having their own home to live. So all those who are living, in a rented apartment are planning to buy a apartment of their own, maybe of a smaller budget. All those who are living in a 2 BHK are planning to, shift to a 3 BHK. 3 BHK people are planning to maybe move to a 4 BHK or a small bungalow. So there is no point, there is no reason as in why two prices will go down. And also with branded developers, with branded developers, there is a commitment which needs to be delivered to the customer in forms of customer satisfaction and quality of the product. So both of this doesn't comes at a price cost, price cut. So I am of a strong opinion that the prices will not go down. And if someone is offering you that the prices are going down and you buy property through us, we will give you discounted rates, I think you should not go with that developer, because he is not even sure of whether what is going to deliver in the future.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. Mr. Yash, what would you have to say
I'm
about
agree with Kamal, and I want to add in this. आप अहमदाबाद में ऑलरेडी प्रॉपर्टी के रेट बहुत रीजनेबल है कंपेयर टू अदर सिटीज. सेकेंडरी 1-1.5 साल से प्राइस बढ़े नहीं है. और आप हिस्ट्री देख लीजिए पिछले 10 सालों की, कभी अहमदाबाद में प्राइस ड्रॉप नहीं हुए. इवन जब डिमोनेटाइजेशन का टाइम था तब भी लोग बोल रहे थे कि मार्केट 20% गिर जाएगा और रियल एस्टेट. आफ्टर 3 मंथ्स आप देखिए डिमोनेटाइजेशन के मार्केट जो था उससे बेहतर बाहर आया था. जैसे इसके सेकेंडरी के हमारी कॉस्ट कोई कम नहीं होने वाली है, कोई लेबर कॉस्ट, कोई मटेरियल कॉस्ट नहीं कम होने वाली. इवन हमें जो का प्राइस कोई कम तो नहीं होने वाला है. तो इसलिए प्राइस ड्रॉप होने का कोई मेरे ख्याल से कोई गुंजाइश है ही नहीं.
Thank you, Mr. Yash. Mr. Patel, there's a question for you coming from Rakesh Dhimani. What is price protection? Please explain. Can you?
प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान हमने डिजाइन किया है कि कस्टमर जो अभी ये सिचुएशन में घर पे बैठे हैं वहीं से वो उनका ऑनलाइन बुकिंग कर सके. और दूसरी चीज ये है कि प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान में ये चीज है कि अगर हम एग्जांपल ले कि एक प्रोडक्ट में अभी 5,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट से अगर बेच रहा हूँ आज के दिन में, ठीक है, तो अगर हम वैसे तो प्राइस डाउन होगा नहीं, जैसे यश भाई ने, कमल भाई ने कहा कि ऐसा कोई चांस है ही नहीं कि प्राइस डाउन जाने वाला है. लेकिन इन केस अगर कस्टमर को जरा सा भी डाउट है तो वी आर गिविंग देम प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन. व्हाई? बिकॉज अगर 5,000 रुपीज में वो बुक कर रहे हैं, अगर हम 4,900 में भी वो चीज बेचेंगे तो वो रेट हम 4,900 का उनका कंसीडर करेंगे। सो इससे कस्टमर को क्या होगा कि उनको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि अगर 5,000 रुपीज में हमने अगर आज कोई प्रॉपर्टी लॉक कर दी, कल जाके अगर मार्केट डाउन हुआ, उसका रेट 4,900, 100 रुपये, 200 रुपये जो भी कम हुआ, तो वो प्रॉपर्टी मुझे भारी पड़ेगी। तो हम क्लाइंट को बस यही कॉन्फिडेंस देने के लिए और यही बताने के लिए कि प्राइस कम होने वाला नहीं है। तो ये प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान इसीलिए कि उनको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस रहे, और वो जैसे अभी सिचुएशन चल रहा है कि घर पे बैठ के वो आराम से अपने फैमिली के साथ भी ये डिसीजन आराम से सोच के ले सके। तो दिस इज द प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान।
Thank you, Mr. Patel. There's somebody else, who's Rakesh, asking what is the size of 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats in your project? There's somebody else asking on the same lines, what is the price of 2 BHK units in your project?
We actually don't have a 2 BHK. We only have a 3 and 4 BHK in Shilp Shaligram. In Shilp Shaligram, we have a 2230 square feet of 3 BHK and 3230 square feet of 4 BHK.
Okay. Thank you. There's another question coming in from Pranjal Boralwala. He's asking, how do you think during COVID crisis, supply chain of raw materials will be managed? Also, payments are also going to be delayed. How can the project and developers cope up with timely completion? Now, this is a question I want to leave open-ended. You can pick it up. Anybody on my panel?
I think Mr. Yash would be in a better state to answer this question.
Please, can you repeat the question, please?
The question is coming from Pranjal Boralwala. He's asking, how do you think during COVID crisis, supply chain of raw materials will be managed? Payments will also be delayed. Then how can the project cope up with timely completion?
फर्स्ट हमारा कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी चालू भी हो गए हैं और उसमें सप्लाई जैसे स्टील सीमेंट है वो सब सप्लाई भी गवर्नमेंट ने अलाउड किया है। तो वो सप्लाई चेन जब तक काम बंद था कोविड लॉकडाउन में तब तक इफेक्ट नहीं किया, और अभी जब काम कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी थोड़ी बहुत स्टार्ट हो गई तो उसके साथ वो आ रहा है, उसमें आई थिंक सो कि कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा। सेकंड के पेमेंट्स थोड़े डिले होंगे, तो जो भी ब्रांडेड डेवलपर्स है उनके पास इतना तो सरप्लस फंड होता है कि वो 3-4 महीने तक पेमेंट डिलेज हुए तो अपना कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी एज वेल जैसा था ऐसा चला सके। हाँ, छोटे डेवलपर्स को ये इश्यू हो सकता है। और थर्ड, व्हाट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन?
He's wanting to understand. Let me go through it. This how he's wanting to understand if there is a delay in payments paid. How can the developer cope with timely?
Yes, already I given answer.
You've already answered that, Mr. Yash. I'll move on to the next question. Mr. Chandani, we are getting a lot of questions around, speculation in the market. So Mr. Rakesh Bhimani is asking us how much price cut down will we see in future? Is it by 10% or 20%? I think maybe you should address that question once again for the benefit of those who have joined us late.
So price cut down is a big no-no from my side, at least from from standpoint of branded developers. There are 2-3 factors wherein which leads to price cut down. First is cash crunch. Maybe sudden surge or sudden fall in the price of raw material and the labor. It is not going to be the case in the coming future. So neither the raw materials are going to come down, nor the land parcel which already the developer has acquired is going to get subsidized in terms of pricing. So I do not foresee any price cut down, and also branded developers are having no problem with cash liquidity. So having said that, even the stock doesn't get sold for a smaller tenure of time, they will not bring down the prices. There are two reasons to look at it. First is the profitability. They have already accounted for a certain output out of a project. Second is they have already sold their units to existing investors or buyers. So it would be a big injustice to them if they bring down the prices. So I do not find any reason as to why the prices will go down.
Okay. Here's another question coming from Mr. K. Shah. He's asking how much booking has already been done in this project. I think how many percentage? Mr. Patel, would you answer that, please?
Yeah. I think we have 380 apartments, and from that 380, we have sold around 225 apartments in a year. So it's a pretty good booking. But we have 3 and 4 BHK good locations availabilities now.
Mr. Patel, can you also address this question? It's coming from Mr. Rishikesh. Can I see a sample property in your project?
Yes, we have made one sample house on ground at near the site office, and one of our full furnished sample house is under process. So you can visit that sample house after this lockdown is over.
Harsh Gandhi is asking us, what is the current stage of the project? How many basement and car parking allotment process? What is the efficiency ratio? This question is coming from Harsh Gandhi. I think he wants to understand the car parking, how many units.
Okay. We are having the two basement car parking. So we are providing 2 allotted car parking with each apartment. So buyers does not need to worry about the car parking, as he is getting the sufficient car parking for their apartment. And while I'm talking about the project completion ratio, many of the towers has been completed till the 10th floor slab, which we have completed, and some of the blocks already had completed their masonry works. So we can also share the photos once after this webinar personally to them for the construction process.
Here's a question coming from Palak. How can PropTiger help me in the buying process? Mr. Chandani, can you take that up?
Yes, we can schedule an appointment with the developer. Whatsoever information is required, we will help you with that. We will help you in drawing a comparative study as to why to go for this project as compared to other projects in the periphery. And if at all you like the projects, we will take your side and help you negotiate with the developer to close the deal.
Here's another question. This is for you again, Mr. Chandani. What is the brokerage fees that PropTiger charges? Are there any hidden charges?
There are no hidden charges. We are charging absolutely nothing. So it's a zero brokerage service that we render to the customers.
Okay. Harsh is asking us another question. Please share more details on the penthouse, total area in 3 BHK, pricing, etc. What is the clear height available in the flat?
I think Saumil should answer this.
So I think this is the technical question, and for the payment plans and for the details of the penthouse, I think that we should do one-to-one meeting with customer on Zoom or on WhatsApp call. I can share that details. Yeah.
Mr. Barod, can you answer this? Somebody is asking us, what is the cancellation policy? Are there any charges for that?
For the current period in the price protection plan, we also mentioned that if someone is booking the apartment as of now, and under some circumstances, if he wants to cancel his apartment, we do not take any cancellation charges from them.
Arpita Shah is asking us how many units are available for sale in the 4 BHK category.
Like we do have as Saumil bhai said, we do have in total 380 apartments. Majorly we are having having apartment in the 4 BHK. Like we have 7 blocks of 4 BHK and 3 blocks of 3 BHK. So we do have an inventory available in the 4 BHK. We can connect them personally.
All right. Here's Mr. Shah. K. Shah is asking, if I have already booked a property in your project before opting for the price protection plan, will this benefit be still extended to me?
एक्चुअली प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान के बारे में जो मैंने बताया कि जैसे हमने प्रोजेक्ट एक स्टेज पे शुरू किया था, तभी जो प्राइस में जिन लोगों ने परचेस किया है ऑलरेडी प्राइस बढ़ चुकी। दूसरी चीज के प्राइस अभी कम होने वाली नहीं है। प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान हमने इसलिए लाया है कि वो कस्टमर को एक कॉन्फिडेंस दे सके कि सर ये अभी प्राइस कम जाने वाला है नहीं, इसीलिए प्राइस डाउन जाने वाला है ही नहीं। जैसे यश भाई ने और कमल भाई ने जो भी रीजंस बताए, वो रीजंस सभी वैलिड है और आप निश्चिंत रहिए, अगर आपने ऑलरेडी बुकिंग करवाया है प्राइस डाउन जाने वाली नहीं है, और ऑलरेडी आपने जो भी अच्छे रेट से बुकिंग करवाया है उससे काफी रेट अभी बढ़ गया है और आफ्टर लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन थोड़ा नॉर्मल होगा, उसके बाद में भी रेट धीरे धीरे बढ़ने वाला है ही, कम होने का कोई चांसेस नहीं, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sagar Gidwani, who's asking us, is construction work still going on or is it stopped temporarily?
कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क फुल फ्लेज नहीं चल रहा है क्योंकि लेबर्स अभी साइट पे जितने होने चाहिए वो है नहीं. तो आफ्टर आई थिंक विद इन 1 month वी कैन मेंटेन द स्पीड.
Mr. Chandani, I received a question. Somebody is asking us, I've visited this site 2 times, but I am stuck. I cannot, I think he's trying to understand the price of the unit or some technicality over there. Can you answer that, please?
So yes, so if he has already visited the site twice, which means the customer has liked the property. After this webinar, maybe I myself or someone from my team and Shilp's team can get in touch with the customer and try to address his query. If everything goes well, probably we can expect him to book a property with Shilp Shaligram. So after this webinar, we shall be getting in touch with you.
Okay. We'll take up one final question from Mr. Patel. Is this project RERA registered? Can I get the details online?
Yes, you can get the details online as well. You can go to my website shilp.co.in, where we have put the brochure of and RERA registration number of all the projects that we have.
Thank you. Well, we've come to the close of this webinar, but before we wind up, let's get back to our panelists for a quick closing statement from all of you, starting with you, Mr. Yash.
थैंक्स कमल. तो वी आर इन द वेबिनार और हम हमारे एक अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में भी बात करना चाहता हूँ. हम शेला में वो क्लब 07 रोड पे एक अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग का अराउंड 1500 स्क्वायर फीट का अपार्टमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं और वो लॉकडाउन के बाद 1-2 महीने में उसका भी प्रोसेस चालू कर देंगे.
Mr. Barod.
Thanks for this webinar. Basically, it's a good thing we address all the issues of the clients, and we can get the more bookings. Like in this scenario, we are expecting some more from the PropTiger. Thank you.
Mr. Patel.
Would like to thank first PropTiger and then all the participants and all the attendants who listen to us, and it is always very feel good and very good that we interact with each other at this moment and this time. Thank you all.
Thank you. Mr. Chandani.
So I would want to wish all my viewers, have a good health. Please stay at home, stay safe. We are there to assist you for your property needs virtually. And just a closing statement that Mr. Yes just mentioned that they are coming up with a project in Shela that is of course going to be an affordable segment. I am very hopeful that people are thinking on the lines of launching new projects wherein so there is nothing to worry from the customer standpoint. Market is going to be positive. We are just waiting for the lockdown to get over. And once again, wish you all the best and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. Let me thank all my panelists for a very fruitful session. We're extremely delighted to have addressed some of your questions. Unfortunately, we are also running out of time, but viewers may still pour in their questions on our social media handle, and PropTiger representatives will get back to you. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Thank you.